how you can make your Snapchat account private. Now this is very easy process. First, let's just open up our Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, go to your profile that's on the top left. Now after opening your profile, what you need to do is you need to go to the settings that's on the top. Now scroll down till you find privacy controls, and there you will get many options that you can change to make your account private. First, what you might want to do is you might want to change your location settings. Now you need to turn your ghost mode on. What this does is this hides you from your Snapchat map so that no one will be able to see you on the map. After doing so, you might want to go to the view my story option, and then just click on my friends. Now clicking on my friends, or go to custom and then choose the few people you want your story to be viewed by. Now doing this will make your Snapchat even more private. And then now go to contact me. Now if you have it on your friends and contacts, your contacts will be able to see you or reach you. And if it's on your friends only your friends will be able to contact you. After this, go to see me in quick add. Now if you turn this off, your other people won't be able to find your account on quick add. Now this will hide you first till some extent, and that is all the settings that you can possibly do to make your Snapchat private. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and then stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.